Hi, today I'm going to show you a very super simple accounts template. This is a template uh, using Excel. Okay, so now you see here, this is a balance sheet. We have this profit and loss account. Okay, you see here, the profit and loss account, all this I put in the formula nicely already. So you don't amend the profit and loss account. Here, you can amend this one. That means change this to your company name. Even your financial year end also you can change. This template is suitable for first year company, and don't change anything here. So don't touch also this sheet. Then this one balance sheet also don't touch. Don't touch this balance sheet. Okay. Then cash flow statement also don't touch, except you can change your company name. Yeah, company name you can change. Then your year end you can change. This whole template is suitable for first year company accounts. If your company is the first year, then you use this template. Okay, so very important, balance sheet, profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, don't touch at all. So as soon as you open this thing, I mean don't touch is you can change your company name and your financial year end. That's all. The rest of the thing don't touch at all. Very important. If you touch, you will mess up. Okay, you should go to bank. Okay, so since this is your first year company, the beginning bank balance should be zero. Okay, this is your beginning bank balance. This template, accounts template one, is suitable for company where all the receipt and payment go through your company bank account only. So that means it's supposed to be suitable for quite a simple company. So so you go and compile all these figures. Then now you just key in, for example, my company share capital is uh, 1,000. Okay, my revenue maybe 5,000. Okay, then government grant PIC 60%. Maybe I got 3,000 from the government regarding PIC 60%. Then the PIC bonus maybe I got 5,000. Okay, then loan from director. You see all this receipt. That means this one loan from director means, okay, I'm the director is usually the business owner. For a small company, usually the business owner is the director. So this means that my own money that I put into the company's bank account, okay, say for example 500. Okay, so purchase of goods maybe 2,000, maybe say 2,500. Okay, so then maybe advertising 600. That means I compile all these figures. Okay, so I compile all these figures, then I fill in the relevant caption. Okay, so let's say some of your caption is not inside here, then you put into the clauses that represents what your expense is. So you just do it here first. You print out later, you print out all the reports, then you can manually adjust whatever you want. But over here I recommend that you don't adjust, because if you adjust, there's a possibility that you can mess up, and it can be very messy if you adjust. So I just say put I just okay, so that means, for example, these are my figures, so I just put in. Okay, so I just put in. So dividend paid, that means how much the company paid to the shareholder as dividend. Okay, so okay, maybe for the first year not so much, maybe just I just put a figure. So purchase of fixed assets, purchase of fixed asset, because I claim PIC 5,000, so my purchase of fixed asset say 5,000. Okay, so prepayments and deposits 60. Okay, so for those who are not our training participants, you should be I mean you should have some accounting knowledge to understand all this. Otherwise, you should come for our training. Okay, so you see, this is what the figures that I've just put here. Then I come to general journal. Okay, at 31st December 2004, total unpaid sales. That means sales that you goods that you have sold, sales that you have made but you have not collect the money yet. for example, is 500. So all you need to put is here. Okay, just put here, then okay, you see it will auto post for you. So then here, total unpaid purchases, that means purchases that I've made but not paid yet, say it's 300, for example. Okay, so it will post for you. So how much is my inventory? Maybe 200, I don't know. Okay, how much is my unpaid expenses? Maybe 150. Okay, so after I do this, that means I have only key in the bank and this general journal sheet. Then I come to P&L. All the figures has been auto posted for me. Okay, when I come to balance sheet, all the figures has been posted in nicely for you, and the difference is zero. So you see, the balance sheet must balance. That means the total asset has to balance with total equity. So that's why this difference is to check to make sure that is zero. We have checked over here, so that means this sheet, it will be automatic. The difference should be zero. Okay, so then you come to cash flow statement. It has been posted for you. The difference is also zero. So that means this cash flow, cash equivalent at the end should be the same as the balance sheet bank balance here. You see, that means you notice all I have to do is to key in my receipt and my payments, and all this credit transaction, I just key in the figures here. It will auto post for me. Then the P&L, balance sheet, and the cash flow will be auto generated from you. So that means now you print out all the hard copies, and whatever fine details, minor adjustments, fine adjustment that you want to do, you do it manually. So please don't try and adjust the templates, because you will mess up. Okay, so then I have second template here. Second template here, same is we have profit and loss account, balance sheet, then we have bank. Okay, so I just put in some figures. So the beginning bank, because this is suitable for first year company. Template 1 and template 2 is suitable for first year company. So I just put in some figure, not so as not to waste your time. So I don't fill up all the figures. Okay, so okay, so I just fill up some of the figures. Okay, so then okay, so dividend 50. Okay, maybe if you don't meet the profit in the during the year, your dividend should not be so much. Maybe dividend is no. If you make a loss, you cannot pay dividend. So your purchase of fixed assets is wait, so dividend is 0. So purchase of fixed asset is 20, whatever. Prepayment is 30. Okay, then I come to general journal. So I just put in some figures. Okay, it will auto post for me. Okay. Okay. Okay, so what is number 5? Okay, so the rest was same as just now. At 31st December 2014, revenue received by director which are not banked into the company bank account but held by director as cash in trust for the company. So that means probably the company generated some revenue, and the revenue is held by the director in cash, or maybe it could be banked into the director's personal bank account. That means we treat it as this money is received by the director and held as cash by the director in trust for the company. Okay, so for example, this is 300. Okay, so that's all. So no, okay, there is also something here, this sheet. This one means payment made by director for the company which are not reimbursed as follows. You see, sometimes the company capital is quite small, so there's not enough money in the company to pay for whatever necessary expenses. And the director has used his own money. The director is usually, for a small business, the director is usually the business owner. Okay, the director has actually paid some money for the company, um, on behalf of the company, and he has not gotten back the money from the company yet. Okay, so this is the meaning of this sheet. That means all those payment made by the director for the company, which the director has not taken the money back from the company bank account, so you put inside this sheet. Okay, so okay, so that's it. Okay, so that means you only fill in the figures for the bank, this piece, which means payment made by the directors for the company, which are not reimbursed back to the director yet. Okay, and that means you only fill three sheet: bank, cash, and this general journal. So the profit and loss account will be auto generated. The balance sheet will be auto generated, it balanced, and then the cash flow is also auto generated. So the ending cash balance is actually balances with the with that cash and bank balance in the balance sheet. So all you see, I have demonstrated to you how easy is it to use this. Um, okay, so you can visit our website uh, uh, um, for more details. So, okay, those who attend our training will get this template free of charge. Okay, thanks.